Ka Meghalaya Board of Shillong Education and Boards hakasngi balang kala pelai yaka result jong ka Higher Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC ne class 12 Science but Commerce arjar phusau. Usamla sohan basaterji jong kalaban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School ulayo yaka kerdan ke benengkong haka HSSLC Science. Kadba ka samla Ferry Felarisha 1 jong ka Saint Mary's Higher Secondary School kalabat yaka kerdan ke benengkong haka Commerce. Haka HSLC Science usamla sohan layo saus pa prapulai marks payo distinction hakin rutli ki subject. Uneu samlau layo ru hadu chispa ne ka chispa haka subject mathematics bat ka physics. Ubawan ba aru de u Gordon Cooper Nombri jong ka Saint Edmunds Higher Secondary School ubayo saus pa nyeu penru marks ba distinction hakin rutli ki subject ba do ar meker marpna na Saint Anthony's High Secondary School balawan balai da kebayo saus pa nyeu phuwe marks ba distinction hakin rutli ki subject. Haka HSLC Science ka sama Ferry Felarisha 1 kalayo saus pa nyeu phuar marks ba distinction hakin rutli ki subject. Kumjuru kene ka samla kalayo chispa na ka chispa marks haka subject mathematics but accountancy. Kalayo ru hadu kendai posau na ka chispa marks haka subject khasi MIL. Bawan baar udai Uraj Paul jong Saint Anthony's High Secondary School ubalawan baar bat yo saus pa andru pulai marks bat distinction hakin rutli ki subject bat upongkok data jong kalaban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ubalawan balai bat yo saus pa san popra marks bat distinction hakin rutli ki subject. Kajing pas ki samla haka science stream ka kot hadu praposan point %, kadba haka commerce stream ka kot prapo point %.
It's a mixed emotion. Right now, I'm still shocked that how I got that. Never expected about getting the first rank or anything. Just shocked right now. So scoring 100. Credit goes to my teacher. She really helped me a lot. Whenever I had doubts, even at 10, 11 o'clock, I called her. She gave me a reply. So it's all credit goes to her. Thank you so much, miss, for helping me, not only in physics and all the department. All the teachers are really amazing here. So what? Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10, 15 hours a day, you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. So now you're absolutely delighted.
Absolutely delighted by the results. I genuinely never expected this actually, but still it hopefully happened in my way. Feeling extremely happy, very much grateful to my teachers, my friends, and also to some of the teachers from some other schools who have gone out from their way to help me.
Pankaj Datta.
What's on your mind right now?
No, mine it is now void actually because my aim was to get my name there, not on the board. So that's why these things motivated me for getting this rank for third. I didn't even realize that I was not sure that I would get this third rank. I thought that I would get under 10 and some rank, but not third. But this is actually amazing.